Imagine owning a property where creeks run through your land and every direction leads into hunting terrain. As you arrive at this West Virginia recreational tract, the gravel road brings you into a landscape that immediately feels natural, raw, and untouched. The property opens into a mix of open pasture, rolling ground, and thick timber, creating a diverse environment that supports both wildlife and outdoor living. The land is shaped by nature, with multiple creeks cutting through the property. These water sources create movement across the terrain and naturally draw in deer, bear, turkey, and small game. It's the kind of setup hunters look for: water, cover, and open travel corridors all working together. The acreage transitions from open, usable ground into pine, softwood, and mature hardwood timber that rises above the valley floor. This variation in elevation and vegetation create ideal conditions for hunting, hiking, and exploring the property on foot or ATV. At the center of the tract sits a 24 by 30 cabin that serves as a ready base camp. It's positioned directly on the land, so you can step outside and immediately access the surrounding woods and hunting areas. It functions as a simple, practical space for weekend stays, hunting trips, or extended outdoor use. Nearby, a 24 by 40 shop provides significant storage for equipment, ATVs, tools, and gear. A 16 by 16 woodshed adds additional storage for firewood and supplies, keeping everything organized and ready for use throughout the seasons. The property is already improved with electric and water in place, along with wells, pumps, metal buildings, and multiple hunting blinds spread across the land. A shooting range is also included, adding another layer of recreational use for firearms practice and training. Beyond hunting, the land supports ATV riding, hiking, camping, horseback riding, biking, and general outdoor exploration, making it a versatile recreational property. This is a fully functional West Virginia tract where cabin living, timber, water, and infrastructure all come together into one complete outdoor setup, ready for immediate use without major development needed.